Let's take a deep dive into the KPI Group widget. This widget combines the simplicity of a KPI widget with the information density of a table. It's well suited for highlighting more metrics than the KPI widget while taking up less real estate. For example, an OEE KPI widget with an OEE factors KPI group below gives more context and rich detail. KPI group widgets are also ideal for side-by-side data comparison across different time ranges, such as last shift and this shift. Like all widgets, the KPI group contains enterprise, time range, filter, and duplicate live controls. To add content to your widget, use the row live control. You can choose to display dimensions, blank rows, headings, or metrics. Now let's create a few examples. Our first example shows the 6 big losses for the press line. The 6 big losses, a core concept of lean manufacturing, extends OEE with additional loss detail and provides actionable insights. On your dashboard, press the Layout button to enter layout mode. Click Add Widget and choose KPI Group. Change the widget's title by simply clicking the default title and typing in your desired text. We will type 6 big losses. To add data, click the Row control and choose Add Row. You will see both individual metrics and predetermined metric sets. A metric set is identified by this icon. In this example, we will only be using a metric set. Search for and select the 6 big loss detail. If you're not sure what a metric set includes, you can always hover over the information icon to see. Excel will automatically add the metrics for your review. If you do not wish to include a metric from the predetermined set, you can remove it by clicking the X next to its name. To better organize the KPI group, click Add Row and choose Blank Row, which will then appear at the bottom of your metrics. Click and drag it to group like metrics together. By clicking Add Row and selecting Heading, you can insert descriptive text or customize section titles, giving you more configurability within the widget. These can also be moved with the click and drag method. Select Apply to admire your finished KPI group. Our second example will show the production overview for the press line for yesterday and today. Having identical widgets set to various time ranges allows you to quickly and easily compare productivity and throughput over time. Once again, click the Layout button, Add Widget, and select KPI Group. To set this widget to its own time range, click the Time Range control and uncheck Follow Page. Then select Yesterday as the custom time range. We will change the widget's title to highlight that it contains metrics from a specific day. Once again, we will use a predetermined metric set. Select the Row control, then search for and select Production Overview, and press Apply to finish this widget. Since we want to compare the same data but for a different time range, we will duplicate this widget. Please note that the Duplicate control is only visible in Layout mode. If needed, move the new widget using the handle in the upper left-hand corner. As we did with our first Production Overview KPI group, we will set this to a custom time range, this time selecting Today. Again, we will change the title for clarity. If desired, you could easily expand the data to cover additional lines by using the Enterprise control. Now that you've seen how to create KPI group widgets, be sure to check out our training center to see more of what Excel has to offer. Simply click Help from any page and select all videos.